So now we know the basic movement tools, but how do you actually create some basic geometry or basic shapes? Well, it is quite straightforward, so make sure you're in the polygons tab here, and you may have noticed that there are some of these shapes here. These are known as primitives. These are the basic geometries that you'll be using to kind of morph into various different shapes, weapons, characters, etc. So if you just click on, say, the cube here, it will automatically create a cube for you right in the center there. And vice versa here as well, you have the sphere, have like a pyramid, basic plane, pipe, etc. as well. There are some other there are other ways to actually create basic polygons. If you go to create polygon primitives, and there's a few extra ones in here as well. So there's a prism, a helix, soccer ball. What you can also do as well. So say for example with the cube, it automatically creates a cube on its default in the middle as well. But if you want to create a very particular type of cube or particular type of sphere, etc., what you can do is if you go to create polygon primitives and turn on interactive creation. So what this does now is it basically gives me more degree of control when creating a basic primitive. So say for example for the cube, I select that. You've noticed that it hasn't actually created yet. That's because I have to kind of create it myself from scratch. So what you do is you hold the left mouse button down, click anywhere in the scene. You may have noticed that that I can just kind of drag the cube in any way that I want. So I'll probably make it by 4 by 4. So if I let go of the left mouse button, if I click it again, I have to create the height. So you can see that rather than just creating a basic small square, I can create any type of square that I want. So maybe if I want one a bit more thinner, I can do that left mouse button and drag it to how big or small as I want. And it's not just for cubes as well, any shape will do as well. So you can kind of create how big and small you want your cube, or even your pipe as well. So that's how to create basic geometry.